Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. So today I'm gonna be working on 1989 Jeep Wrangler. We're gonna do a rough country 2.5 inch lift kit on it. Just something basic, just to level it out. See how it's too close to that front wheel. So I suggested to my friend, hey, maybe you should lift it up a little bit. So we're gonna do a 2.5, and then also I'm gonna be doing the valve cover gasket and the oil pan gasket, because it has a little oil leak, so you guys can see. So that's what we're gonna be working on, guys. So you guys stay tuned for that. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. What's going on, guys? So I did skip the me installing the leaf springs, just because I didn't know where to put the camera. So basically what I found out is you got to remove this little bar here, and then you can move the rear and left and right, and then you line it up and then you can put it back up. But yeah, I had to do the oil pan as well, so did a little what do they call it, undercoated spray on it. I was gonna do spray paint, but I don't know, I think this will last better, longer. Yeah, so I got the lift kit on the front done, and I'm gonna start working on the back. I just wanted to get the oil pan done today, and then, well, not today, but I mean before the doing the back, since I already have it lifted up. So yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. I'll show you guys before and after when I'm done with it. Talk to you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? So I finally got the Jeep done. It looks really good. It's a 2.5 inch lift kit. This is I think this is the smallest lift kit they have. So basically you just change the leaf springs and the shocks, and this is what you get. I didn't do it before video, but I do have it before pictures, so I'll put it before and after so you guys can see the difference. Actually looks, it's a big difference. It's actually higher. You actually have to use the steps to get in the Jeep now. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be it for this video. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be working on next. Might be the C71 or my other Sure Auto that I have, or a Mini Cooper. I'm not sure yet, whichever gets in the way. So you guys stay tuned for the next one. I'll talk to you guys later.